Trying to focus. Okay, so then let's begin. The next one. Sadim has a very good question. What can we do in the next one? How can we represent this fraction? Let me see. Tyler, how many? Yes?
Seis.
How many divisions do you have?
12.
12, eh? And that will be your?
Answer.
That will be
Denominator.
the denominator. Very good. And how many parts are taken?
12.
So that will be your nominator. So the next one, Emily.
What?
What will be your denominator?
4.
Now fourth, and that is represented, as you say, when we read it, then it's a quarter. And then Emily, what would go on the top? What will be your nominator?
2.
2, excellent. Lucia, the next one.
Please, I finished. Christopher Tyler.
Tyler, remember not to interrupt and use the emoji, yes? Lucia, please. The next one, what will be the denominator? The denominator is the amount of divisions that you will see.
5.
Are you sure? No. All the parts. Count again, sweetie.
8.
Very good. That's going to be your denominator. Eh? And the numerator is going to be, Lucia? How many parts are taken? How many parts are colored?
5.
5. Very good. So there you go. The next one, Suji.
Miss, can I do the
Sorry? The denominator will be 2. Very good, Suji. And the nominator will be?
1.
1. Very good. Okay, let's continue with the next one. Maria Belén, do you want to do it? Yes.
Okay.
Okay, great. Can you tell me the denominator?
5.
Excellent. Very good. And the nominator?
3.
3. Okay, so take a marker or a color, and if your answers are like this, you please check. Yes? Was this difficult?
No, it's easy. No. Easy peasy. 1 second.
Okay, so.
Easy. I finished.
Okay, good. Check. Very nice and very pretty. Use colors. Right, great job. And then if you finish, you close the book and you open the notebook, because now we have to negotiate your final test. Okay? All closed. Did you check, David? Okay, good. Now it's time to open the notebook. Let's do the negotiations for your final. Close and open the notebook. And as we always do, we can negotiate. I am open to ideas. My only requirement.
The last one.
Sorry, Eric, can you say that?
The last one.
Okay, so the idea here is that we can discuss the test, and my only requirement is that this test has to be written, okay? You have to have a final test. So open your notebook and write study guide. I think everybody finished it. This was quite easy. Ay, ay, ay. The social studies teacher is sending me a message. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Here we go.
Miss, may I go to the bathroom?
Of course, my dear. Okay, so before you write all that I have on my, I'm gonna stop sharing. So before you write what we have in what I have prepared, okay? I want everybody to check in the notebook. You did a division, right? In the third trimester. What was your first topic?
The multiplications. Fractions.
What was the first topic?
Miss number.
Oh, everybody has a different answer.
It wasn't the properties.
We, in the beginning,
Multiplications.
multiplications. What else?
The mixed numbers. Division. Division.
Fabricio, what do you have?
Roman numbers.
You had, exactly. You had, at the beginning, I remember we review a little bit. We review some things about the second trimester. You saw the Roman numbers. You saw two types of numbers. What types of numbers did you see? I'm giving you the Roman numbers. And you
The Roman and the average numbers.
Okay, I think, I don't know, I'm asking, I'm giving one idea. Do you want that in the test? Obviously, everybody's gonna say no.
No. No.
Okay, so we forget about the numbers, okay? No Roman numbers. That's not gonna come, okay? Now let's open the book, everybody, on page. Let's go back to the book and let's open page 127. 127.
Miss,
Yes.
what's Zoom and then words like Chinese?
Hi, Julia. Right now, I am discussing the study guide. I can check that later. I know it's Adrian. He has the camera off also. But right now we're discussing, let's focus, yes. Page 120. Hold on. Page 100. Oh, yeah. You see, I cannot do two things at the same time. Sometimes I get confused. 127, you have proper and improper fractions, eh? That was one important topic, and you only had to identify which one was proper and which one was improper, okay? The next one, open page 130. Page 130. Johnny, in the book. Elizabeth, page 130. Quickly, in the book, please, so you can see what is
Number.
your test.
Mixed number.
Maria Belén, page 130 in the book. Do you have it? Okay, good. What is there? What do you have there?
Mixed number.
Excellent. And we continue with the next one. Page 131. What do you have?
The homogeneous and heterogeneous fractions.
Excellent. Said, what do you have in page 134? Page 134.
Equivalent fractions.
Said?
Average fractions.
Equivalent fractions. And then the next one, everybody, the next page, you have amplification and simplification, okay? The last two topics of page 135. Those are the topics that we have seen so far this trimester, finishing with comparing fractions. From these topics, we're not gonna see the numbers. I already said it. We said it, we agree, no numbers. You guys have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 topics for the test. I think that is too much, too much to study. Yes, Saira. Saira agrees with me. These topics you have to have. From the top, I can equivalent fractions. I can, how can I say? From the ones on the top, I will agree to erase 1.
A question.
I can erase 1. Think about it. Which one do you think that it was in that?
Number in
Miss Copy.
in proper fraction.
No, not yet. We are discussing now. Which one? My gosh. You guys need to pay attention, please. Please. Which one do you think that we can forget about? 1.
The equivalent
Transform.
equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions.
Yes.
Equivalent fractions. Equivalent ones. Simplification.
Okay, so no, simplification, no. Simplification has to come in the test, okay? Okay, so you don't want equivalent fractions. I will erase that now. Let me see. So now you guys are ready to work, then hold on a minute. This thing is having a little bit of a problem. I know what to do. Okay. Now we can begin writing, okay? I'm gonna show you now what to do. Let me...
Miss, today we have Spanish. It's the next class.
Thank you, Ro. Let me close this and open again. Here we go. So you don't want equivalent fractions, okay. Still, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 topics. I am feeling so good today, and I want you to erase another topic. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna share the screen. I feel so good today. I want you to pay attention in your class. That's all. The only thing I am asking. If you pay attention, I am happy. If you don't have that sad face, I'm like, face, you make me happy. Yes? Let's erase one more. Another one. Tell me another one that you...
Transform fraction into a mixed number.
Yes, Miss. Erase, transform mixed number into into improper fraction. Erase.
Yes.
Yes.
Simplification. I am amplifying improper fraction.
Simplification.
That one. Yes.
I say I think improper fractions to mixed numbers. It's more difficult than the mixed. Yes, Miss. Transform improper fractions into mixed numbers. Yes.
Because it's division, right?
Yes, teacher,
Aha.
yes, yes.
Aha. Okay. Okay, everybody, open the book, open the notebook quickly, and let's begin writing, okay? Those two don't go. That's what you have for your final. I am only asking you guys to pay more attention and try. I know that Zoom is not the same, but it really makes me sad that I'm seeing some faces like I don't want to be here. I want to be doing something else. I want to start playing with the flute. I'm going to start playing with the glue. I'm going to start doing something else. Let's try to focus, yes?
Miss, I take a picture. I take a picture of that.
No, but you have to finish in here. And you have 9 minutes. So, writing, everybody, study guide. I don't know when the tests will begin. Well, I know the test will begin, maybe the next week.
Miss, but we need to do the test in the school or in here?
I don't know what is gonna happen yet. I know that on Friday it's a very important day, Sadim, because on Friday we will know if we are able to go back to school on Monday. Now, if we can go back to school on Monday, on
No.
the next day you don't have classes because it's the 28th. You're so honest, but then it's okay. And on the 28th, you guys don't have classes, and then we would have Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday you begin your finals. Now remember that science is gonna be a project, okay?
That when says evaluation, there says proper, not proper.
But Miss, who's gonna do the project and who's not gonna do?
Hi, Christopher, don't worry. Proper, what do you mean?
No have there. There says proper.
Yeah, thank you, David. Thank you. I think I have a problem in the, here. There we go. Thank you, David. You're so kind. David, I wanted to tell you something. Later, I will. Anyways, we all study and we all review, okay? And we begin studying tomorrow. Ay, come on, Fabricio. You're so good. This is not gonna be difficult.
He has all the time and the test.
What?
For me, yes.
But you have done a lot, Sadim. I am proud of you. I'm proud of everybody. Math is not easy. You have to see me in my house fighting with my son with the multiplication tables. We repeat that every single day. And the next day he forgets. So it's a matter
Miss,
of...
like that is my brother, like that.
Yeah. It's a matter of practicing and repeating until you can get it. But the multiplication tables are tough for almost everybody. Yeah? Almost. You know? Some people have the talent to know them quickly, some people don't.
No, Miss, they are easy.
Oh, that's good that you say that.
For you.
Yeah, not for everyone. Emily, where are you? Suji. So in science, we finished with the experiment. Sadim, what are you doing? Johnny, is that delicious? Johnny, is that delicious? Johnny, work.
Miss, and what you recommend for studying the book or in the notebook?
In the book, you don't even have comparing fractions well. If you saw, I didn't use the book for comparing fractions because you don't have there how to compare fractions with different denominators. So I would suggest the practices that we have in the notebook. Now, you don't have to study in the house. What we do is that we practice, and then when we finish, then you study for the final if you have to do it. Now, there is a grade I am missing in Medev in math. I'm missing 1 grade in math and 2 grades in math, now that I remember, because you guys had to send me a homework. Remember? The one that most of you did about the fractions with the same denominators. Remember, I did it in WhatsApp. I have to upload that grade, and I also have to upload there was a homework that we did that it was in the book, in the notebook, and I don't have it. But I will do that soon. So when the principal says, okay, you are exempt, you don't have to do the final because your grade is, then I will let you know, okay?
I think that I do the final.
No, Eric, I don't think you have to do.
I will not guess because I am bad.
Miss, I think that I am in exam in Spanish because I get 5 and I don't understand.
But maybe you do and you don't know.
Miss, and I have a question. If you do not exempt of one subject in the others, you cannot exempt.
It depends on your grades. It's not the final grade, it's the grade in the subject. So let's say that in math you have 4.5. But in LA you have 5. Then in LA you are exempt, but then in math, no. Okay, you guys have, who finished?
Me, Manuel.
Show me, sweetie.
I finish all of that.
Okay, goodbye, Manuela. We'll see you tomorrow.
I finish.
Sure, I finished too.
I finish. You copy to the.
I
Bye.
finish.
Wait a
I
second.
finished, teacher.
Miss,
No, David, no.
I finish.
David,
Let me take the filter.
I am going to wait until everybody's quiet and you guys listen, please, because like that we cannot work. And I know you want to go, but I have to see that everybody did something, yes? So when we interrupt, like, I finished, I know that you're excited to finish and you want to go, but can you please give me the time to check, please? Yes. Okay, good. Now the next one, I know is David. David, may I see? David, goodbye. Maria Belén, may I see? Goodbye, Maria Belén. Now let me see
Bye.
Sophia. Sophia, sweetie. Sophia, I have a question. At what time are you in your house? Andre, goodbye.
Miss, I finish.
Jason, goodbye.
Miss Sophia is in the tutoring.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking her. Said, goodbye. Lucia, goodbye. Tyler, goodbye. Sophia,
Bye, Miss.
bye. At what time are you gonna be in your house?
Bye, Miss. I love you lots. Yes, I finish.
Yes?
Miss, I finish.
Okay, so around 2.
Miss, I finish.
Goodbye, Sophia. I just tried my time. Let me see, Jaima. Let me see. Bye. Who is this? Jeremy, goodbye. Julia, goodbye. Monica, goodbye. My dear Jaima, I love you so much.
Miss, I
Goodbye.
finish.
Bye, Miss.
Suji, I don't see anything.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Miss.
Fabricio, goodbye. Very good. Well organized. Goodbye, Suji.
Bye.
Bro, are you happy? I don't think you have to do. math. You have very good grades, bro. I'm proud of you. Goodbye, my dear. Goodbye.